In this quick guide, you'll learn how to turn off Honeybook Invoice credit card payments. Whether you're looking to streamline your payment processes or prefer clients to pay via bank transfer, I'll guide you through the steps to make this change effortlessly within Honeybook. First, you'll want to open the smart file associated with your specific project. This is where your invoice draft resides. To get there, navigate to the project you're working on. Once inside the project, look for the invoice draft. Clicking on it will open up the document where you can make the necessary adjustments. This step ensures that you're working with the correct file and not making changes to the wrong project, which is a common pitfall. Now that you have the invoice draft open, the next step is to access the payment settings. To do this, locate the payment block within the editor. This is where all the magic happens concerning how your clients can pay you. A simple click on this block will bring up the settings sidebar. This sidebar is a powerful tool. It's where you control all the details related to payment methods, due dates, and other essential invoicing details. In the settings sidebar, you'll want to focus on the payment methods section. This is where you determine how your clients can pay their invoices. You should see an option labeled Allow your clients to pay with. By default, this might be set to allow credit card payments. What you'll do here is switch the option from credit card to bank account. This means your clients will now see bank transfer as their primary method of payment rather than being prompted to use their credit cards. After making this change, it's critical to save your settings to ensure they're applied properly. Look for the Save button, often located at the bottom or top right of the sidebar, and click it. This action locks in your changes, ensuring that your clients will only be offered the bank account option moving forward. Skipping this step could mean your adjustments won't take effect, so double check that the save was successful. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off credit card payments for your Honeybook invoices, guiding your clients towards using bank transfers instead. This method not only helps in reducing transaction fees often associated with credit card payments, but also aligns with certain business strategies that prioritize direct bank transactions. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if your preferences or business needs change over time. Honeybook provides a flexible and user-friendly interface, making it straightforward to manage your invoicing and payment methods. Adjusting these settings takes just a few minutes and can greatly influence how you manage your client payments. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your Honeybook experience.